keep on enjoying. Everyone at home, keep on watching.
Yes.
Yeah.
Up on stage is a musical drama.
You know, girls, I'm so glad we're gathering firewood today. When I'm done with this, I just don't have anything else to do. I'm finished with all my chores, cleaning, washing, cooking, you know. I'm so relieved. Oh, lucky you. You know what? I'm taking home fresh mayan. I'll be making bai for tonight's dinner. Would you want some? With ajinomoto. Oh, sounds very tempting. Well, maybe I should. Just the thought of it makes my mouth water already. I'm so tired. I need to rest. Gosh, I'm really tired, girls. Let's rest for a while. Yeah, sure. Oh, my poor back. Ouch! OMG! There's bird muck on my firewood. Ew! Yeah, so gross.
He loves me. He loves me not. He loves me. He loves me not. He loves me. Yeah. He loves me not.
Hey, girls, I have an idea. Let's search for someone to admire. Then we'll follow him. What say you?
That's so easy. I brought my laptop along. Just Google search and presto, there's your idol. Hey, where is your Fortune Plus?
Right here in my teeny tiny pocket. Here it is. Hey, count me in. Nobody's telling us whom we should follow or whom we should admire.
Shh! Don't make a sound. We'll make a move when they least expect it.
Isn't it about time?
Hey, guys, be cool. Let's wait for the right moment.
Come on! Come on! Yeah! Come over here and clip for us. Please, 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 please.
Yeah, Kumwak. Please, please, pretty, pretty, please. With cherry on top. Like this, while I strike a pose like this.
Will you pay for the pics? Are you sure you got a box?
Nah, just click it, will ya? You will never find any other girl prettier than us anywhere at all. Oh, come on, just click it while I'm doing my signature pose like this. Okay? Please. Yeah, come on, here, like this. Hurry up.
Okay then. 1, 2, I'll show you pay up.
Oh, come on, just click it. Yeah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Say butter.
Now, attack!
Hey! I go first. What's up, girls?
Clicking snaps.
Can we join in?
Come and join us.
Kumwak, come and click for all of us.
Yeah, come on, please. Hey, you stop. Hey, watch out.
Point towards the north.
And now to the south.
No, not that way.
Hands on the hips. Hands on the hips.
What's wrong, dear? You don't seem to be enjoying all the fun.
I'm having fun, but I was just wondering. We're looking for someone to admire and follow, someone great, someone we can look up to and who can guide us. But it seems we're not getting anywhere closer like this.
We also want to follow someone awesome, someone who's 100% perfect.
Someone loaded. Someone strong.
Someone groovy.
Someone funky.
Someone C-O-O-L.
Cool.
Yeah. Ouch!
Yo, listen up, people. Listen, learn, and observe. Let me tell you what we should look for. First thing, someone who can give us peace of mind. Secondly, someone who can offer us wholesome happiness. Thirdly, someone who has an unconditional love. And lastly, someone who can comfort us even in death. Got it?
Whoa there, girl. That's a long list you got there. That's gonna be T-U-F-F tough.
Is it a bird? Is it a plane?
Should follow them. Who's that guy? Who's that guy?
If it's what we're looking for, maybe we should follow him. Yes.
My name is Superman.
What can you do?
Everything. I have superpowers. I believe I can fly. I can do anything and everything.
Can we follow you?
If you want, you can follow me. I'll give you anything.
A minute, Mr. Superman. I'm like, can you give us a peaceful mind?
Huh? I don't think so. Sorry, kiddo. That's beyond my powers.
That's not cool.
If that's so, Mr. Superman, we'll not come with you. You're so out of our league.
Yup, and away!
Duh, he's gone.
I wonder if there's anyone else.
Hello up, dude?
We want you to be our idol. Can we come with you? Yeah, we think you are really cool.
Hang out with us. We'll tour together, man. Let's live life king size.
Hey, Mr. Rockstar. Before we come with you, just one more question. If we follow you, where will we end up when we D-I-E die?
Where else but rock in hell? Yeah, baby.
Nahi!
That's so scary.
We don't want to come with you.
No way, Jose.
Who else is there to follow? Hey, look, what's that?
क्या रे?
You look so lovey-dovey out there, Mr.
खान. मेरा नाम मिस्टर स्कैरी खान.
Okay, Mr. Khan. Let me ask you one thing. Do you love your GF?
Why not?
If that's so, would you still hold on to her if she cheats on you?
No. No way. Can I still love her if she's unfaithful? No. I will run away.
But don't you have endless love, Mr. Khan?
No. There's no such thing as endless love.
You sure aren't someone who can help us then. We're looking for someone who will love us unconditionally and endlessly, no matter what.
Hey, Mr. Rich, you look so loaded. We want to hang out with you.
Come with me. I can buy anything that can be bought. Anything, you name it.
Whoa! So rich! Oh, I have lots of things I want to buy.
Money! Cash! Cash!
Mr. Richie, just a sec. Can you buy eternal happiness?
Eternal happiness? Did you say eternal happiness? Oh, now that's a priceless question. I'm sorry, man. I can only buy things that gives me pleasure for a while.
We don't want such short-lived happiness. If you can't give us eternal happiness, we'll not follow you.
We won't go. We won't follow. We don't dare. We won't go.
We won't follow. We don't dare.
Peace of mind I cannot find.
Happiness is all I want.
Hope and comfort are what I seek.
Keep on searching in this world.
All I see is emptiness. Tell me where, tell me how, tell me what should I do?
Who is there who can help, who can show me the way?
Look at that. Aren't we the ones to show them the right path? Let's go and tell them that Jesus Christ is the only one who can give them peace, comfort, and eternal happiness.
And let us to hopeless sea.
Hello there. We are the members of the KGP. We believe that you need Jesus in your lives. He is the answer to everything, and He is the one you should follow.
That's what we've been searching all along. We really needed someone to show us the way.
And we don't know how to reach Him just by ourselves.
Come with us, you won't regret it.
Many of our brothers and sisters are on their way to eternal doom, seeking for happiness, comfort, and peace of mind, but all in the wrong places and all in vain. If we sit here and do nothing, their blood shall be on our hands. Let's speak of the undying, genuine, and eternal love of God to the millions around us. Let us all walk together and let our light shine for Jesus.
This is not my home.
This is not my space.
This is not my side.
This is not my place.
Can get comfortable.
Can get settled in.
Simply don't belong.
Can get used to this.
But I'm here right now.
I can hear you say,
Make the most of me.
this won't go away.
If I'm out of my mind.
It's all for Christ.
If I'm making sense.
Then you get it right.
Every moment is a chance to let your light break through.
This life was meant to shine. This life was meant to shine. It's in my heart, it's in my soul. I live every day just to make you know. 'Cause this life was meant to shine.
Wow,
Wow,
that
wow,
was
wow,
that
wow.
was BEST. Best. All right.
Fantastic. Wow, wow,
Oh,
wow.
that was really good.
So
I thought it's just
Young-
the
young
Bollywood, just the Bollywood actors they can perform. We have a solo by a very popular gospel artist of Aizawl, of Mizoram,
whose name?
by the name Margaret.
Margaret
Can you pronounce it?
Malzao Zuli. I don't know.
Oh, oh.